It is finally here, the make or break exam of your career, your life. You have been preparing for it for almost 2 years now. Some of you gave it even more so. All your hard work, blood, sweat and tears will go to waste if you miss these last 100 days. That's where I'll help you. Let's make the best personal 100-day strategy for NEET and get those mock-up test scores higher up. I have divided this video into various sections tailored according to your needs. Without further ado, let's get started. Source of revision. You are in the last stage of your preparation. So I am assuming you have read the whole syllabus at least once. Some of you must have prepared your notes too. First thing that you need to do right now is to sort out the sources that you are going to study from, that you are going to revise from. I am suggesting you to use only your notes along with NCERT biology. That will be your source for the first 1 or 2 revisions. During these revisions, I want you to make formula sheets for physics. Just 1 page per chapter and the only formulas that you think are important. Revise these sheets every day in the morning. It may take as much as 2 hours in the start, but as you learn more and more formulas, you can cross them and decrease your time. Just like physics, I want you to make formula sheet for physical chemistry and a reaction book for organic chemistry. Read it every day. Eliminate the parts that you remember and keep on revising the parts that are hard for you. That will make you the master of it. Now let's come to biology and inorganic chemistry. Read the NCERT for the included topics. Leave no page unturned. Now, among those pages, you will encounter some facts, some things that you just need to rote learn. During your first revision, highlight those facts on the book itself. Maximum of 4 to 5 lines per page is enough. In the second revision, read only those facts and start eliminating them as you remember them. There will be some examples, some tables that are hard to learn. Write that down on a piece of paper and stick it over your studies. If you ask me, stick it on the toilet. You will have no other option than to read it every day. After the first 2 revisions, you need to mark the topic as green for those well prepared, yellow for the ones where 1 or 2 revisions is needed, and red which is completely over your head. In the yellow topics, divide the subtopics into weak zones and volatile zones. Next revision onwards, don't read the green topics. Read only the weak and volatile parts of the yellow topic and focus your complete attention on the red ones. With each successful revision, try and get more and more topics in the green zone. MCQs. Doing revisions will only make you remember things. For understanding the concept, you need to solve MCQs. You will have to solve at least 50 MCQs per topic. You must have joined your respective coaching classes. Take out all the chapter-wise tests that you have. Once you are done revising a particular chapter, right after that, solve the class test of that given chapter. Mark the questions that you did wrong. If you are 75% plus correct, then that chapter is in green zone. After each revision, the number of marked questions will decrease. And once you are done with all the questions in the class test, go for the group-wise test that your coaching classes gave you. Remember the red topics that we marked? You need to give them extra attention by solving the respective MCQ books that you use. In the last 100-day stage, I suggest you to solve MTG fingertips as errorless will be a bit too big to solve. All of this will build your concept by passive revisions as well as active recall. After you are done with group tests, go solve the last year question papers. MTG 34 years will help you in that. Revisions. Now that we know how to revise and how to solve MCQs, exactly how many revisions are needed? I'll say revise till all your topics are in green zone or till your full test start, whichever comes first. Wrong diary. Fast forward to the days when your group test and your full test will have started. You cannot revise each and every subject every day, but you are still making so many mistakes. Now what? Get a small diary, something that will fit in the palm of your hand. We will call it the wrong diary. In the wrong diary, whenever you make a mistake in the group test or in the full test, write that specific topic and subtopic in the diary. You need to be very specific about the point that you did wrong. After going home, before sleeping, revise all those topics for half an hour every day. This revision includes reading those specific topics from the source, that is your books, and solving 10 MCQs related to it. Cross the subtopics that you revised and keep adding the new ones. This method is called fill in the gap in your preparation. It will make it rock solid. How to cover backlog. In the last year or so, many of us got sick or had to take care of sick family members. Regardless of the cause, we all have a backlog of some or the other subject. No matter how many chapters, try and cover up that backlog in the next 7 days. If you cannot finish it by then, mark all the remaining topics as red topics and continue to revise them as we discussed earlier. How to read and understand physics numericals and how to score well in physics. This section is for those unlucky souls who have a hard time in physics. A special thanks to Radhika for helping me in this section. Dedicate the next 10 days exclusively to physics, day and night, no other subject. In this time, finish your formula sheets. Also, you need to make a book. In this book, Write all the sample questions that your teacher made you write in the class. You can also take the help of previous year NEET question papers. This will be your sample book for physics questions. More than half of the questions will be asked from that book with a little change in value. Read this book every morning. Now for the full test papers. Write solution of each and every problem of physics and make your own physics master answer sheet. Revise it twice and move ahead. These master sheets will help you revise all the questions of physics during the last 7 days of NEET exam. Yes, I am basically asking you to try and learn how to solve each and every question in physics. That's the only thing you can do in the last 100 days. And trust me, it will get you marks. Unable to stay consistent. It's been so long and God has been trying us in every possible way. Some of us have been strong for too long. Now with the last sprint approaching, we get disheartened. Maintaining self-discipline isn't as easy as it sounds. We all lose our consistency. No matter how much I tell you to do this and that and form a daily schedule and stuff like that, discipline is something that needs to come from inside. That's the only way to maintain your consistency. 1 mark can be a make and break between AIMS and GMC, between MBBS and BAMS, between first attempt and another repeat. Are you willing to gamble your future like that? Trust me, motivation is overrated. No amount of motivation would have gotten me from hours and hours of medicine and surgery lectures that I am doing. No vision is enough to keep me awake for my exam next day. Discipline is what determines how far you go. On those days when your dreams of the future aren't enough, discipline will pull you out of your bed and get you to work. Sure, motivation is crucial, but it's not consistent. It is not reliable. You can only rely on yourself and your grit. Pressure of being a dropper. To my repeater friends, after attempting the NEET exam already and having so much time to prepare, you have become the wisest and the most experienced warriors. You are born to fight, and the pressure you feel will be a game changer for you. You have been grinding longer than anyone else, while others will crumble in the pressure. You are the diamonds that will shine the brightest. Imagine 5 years from now, when you will be sitting in your own clinic and remembering these days, you will feel proud of yourself and say, "Next patient please." With this video has come to an end. I hope I could help you even a little in your preparation for the next NEET exam. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Abhijit Archives. Before I go, I have a little something to share. You are full of untapped potential. Your determination, the will of fire, will fuel you to achieve anything that you want. Right now, your own success is what matters. Be ruthless about it. Know your worth. You are brilliant. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Stay focused. Don't get caught in any drama. You don't have time for that. Keep your dreams in your mind and allow them to drive you. You shine so bright, but you cannot burn forever. Learn to rest. Give yourself a break. And you will come back stronger than ever. Sometimes you will feel like giving up. Recognize your feelings, but don't let them rule over you. Keep looking into the future. It's in your hands. Now stretch your hands out and run as fast as you can. Your dream career, your dream college, everything is right in your grasp. It's not a marathon anymore. It's the end game. Give it all you got.